Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to make a pattern in Illustrator. So let's have a look now. At first, click on the selection tool and select all your illustration that you want to make into pattern. Then go to Object, select Pattern, then Make. A box will appear with pattern options. Here you can change the pattern layout. Give it a name. In the tile type section, select the type, click on every option and go with the one you prepare. Now active this icon to set the limit. Once you are done doing this, hit enter. Now click on fill and select the pattern you just made. Now draw a shape and here it is. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.